Hi guys. Today we came to a sports round Yamana's track for our trucking.
First time tracking the car.
First time, first time tracking a car with Dory and me.
With Dodi.
With Dory and me.
Yeah.
And already Jay, nani, wrong.
Yeah, I did 17 laps.
So already Jay did 17 laps,
Yeah.
and now, now going to now.
Go get lunch
Go get lunch. Now going to go get lunch
and come back and do it
and
again.
come back and do it and come back to it again.
Yeah, so exactly as Sarah said, we came to Sportsland Yamanashi to track the Z for the first time. It's my first time ever tracking any car, so it was kind of nerve-wracking, especially since I don't want to break it, but, you know, full send, do it for Dale kind of thing. So this place is actually pretty cool. It's all NASCAR themed inside. The owner has been to North Carolina, where I'm from, just to go see NASCAR races, which is pretty sick. So I told him I'm from Mooresville, because that's my hometown, and he was pretty excited to talk to me, I guess. So the car felt all right. I mean, it's the first time tracking it, so got to figure out everything about it. You know, figure out what's gonna happen with it. The power steering started locking up on corner 1, which is over there somewhere. I don't know if I pointed the camera at it. But yeah, it started locking up. Checked the power steering fluid, and I was super low. So the owner actually went and picked me up some power steering fluid, and we put that in the car. The next race, the next tracking time isn't until 1:25. So right now it's like 12:20. So we have an hour. We're gonna go get some lunch and come back. The entrance to get in here is actually pretty scary. It's really dangerous for my car. We barely fit, and we scraped a lot getting in. This is like super back roads, kind of mountainous terrain thing, but it's pretty fun. Also, I apologize. Yesterday we didn't really vlog that much at the car event, the Liberty Walk event, but we took a lot of cinematic footage. We just got too carried away with the event and forgot to vlog and did more cinematic recording. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna put the GoPro in the 350. Sarah's gonna stand here and record next time I go, and see how it looks. Me? About to go start the next few laps. See what we can do. Running with this Hachiroku.
Jay, 頑張って。